What if you could use AI to create viral style videos, grow your audience, and even produce content for paying clients, all without juggling a bunch of different tools? I recently found an AI platform that claims to handle almost the entire production process for you, from the first idea all the way to a finished video. Whether you're making YouTube shorts, product ads, cinematic commercials, anime stories, music videos, or client projects, it's designed to speed up the entire workflow without sacrificing quality. That sounds like a pretty bold claim. So today I'm putting it to the test by creating a real project from scratch to see if it actually delivers. Hey guys, I'm Zarel, and today we're checking out Flova AI. Instead of just showing you a list of features, I'm going to build an entire video from start to finish using its workflow, so you can see exactly how everything fits together and whether it's actually worth using. Let's get started. After signing in, you're taken to a clean dashboard where every project starts with a simple idea. For this demo, I'm not starting completely from scratch because Flova includes something called skills, and that's where the workflow really begins. Skills aren't just templates. They're reusable production workflows that help guide the entire creation process, from the creative direction and storyboard structure to model selection, generation settings, and even future revisions. Flova includes skills for product reviews, UGC ads, anime content, short films, commercials, social media videos, and plenty more. For this project, I'll choose the skill that best matches the type of video I want to create, customize it for my own idea, and use it as the foundation for the rest of the production. Once the workflow is set, Flova lets you choose the AI models that fit your project instead of locking you into just one option. For images, you can choose models like GPT Image 2, Midjourney V7, and Seedream 4.5. For video generation, it supports options like Seedance 2.5, Kling 3.0 Omni, Veo 3.1, and Sora. Seedance 2.5 is now available in Flova, allowing creators to use advanced video generation directly inside Flova's complete workflow. And right now, Seedance 2.5 is fully unlocked with double credits for a limited time, with 480p generation starting from just 3 cents per second. It also includes AI music through Suno and Murph AI, plus realistic voice generation with 11 Labs and other popular voice models. Having all of these tools inside the same workflow means you don't have to keep jumping between different websites just to finish one project. Now that the workflow is ready, it's time for the feature I was most excited to try: reference to video remix. Instead of copying someone else's video, you simply upload a reference that captures the style you're aiming for. Flova analyzes things like the visual style, camera movement, pacing, editing rhythm, and storytelling, then uses that information to create a completely original video based on your own idea. The goal here isn't to recreate someone else's video, it's to capture the overall style, the pacing, camera movement, cinematic feel, and storytelling. Then use that inspiration to create something completely original with your own characters, scenes, and idea. So here's how it works. I uploaded the reference video, entered a prompt describing what I wanted, and started the generation process. Instead of jumping straight into the final video, Flova first analyzes the reference, breaking down the visuals, camera movement, lighting, editing style, pacing, and storytelling. Using all of that, it automatically creates a complete production plan and storyboard before any video generation even begins. Before moving forward, you can review every scene, adjust the pacing, rewrite parts of the storyboard, or fine-tune the overall direction until everything feels right. Once the storyboard is approved, Flova generates the visual assets, including characters, environments, and supporting elements while keeping the style consistent across every scene. One feature I really like is that if a specific shot doesn't turn out the way you imagined, you don't have to rebuild the entire project. You can leave a comment directly on that individual shot, explain what you'd like changed, regenerate only that scene, and keep everything else exactly as it is. Flova also includes an asset library, where you can save approved characters, environments, reference materials, music, and generated assets. That makes it much easier to stay consistent across future episodes, recurring series, or even client projects without having to recreate everything from scratch. After that comes audio. Flova automatically generates background music and sound effects that match the video, lets you preview different options, and syncs everything together before assembling the final export. After comparing my finished video with the original reference, I was honestly impressed. You can definitely recognize the same creative style and overall vibe, but the final video tells a completely different story instead of feeling like a copy. What stood out most to me was how connected the entire workflow feels. From choosing a skill and analyzing the reference, to planning the storyboard, generating assets, making shot-level revisions, creating the animation, adding audio, and exporting the final video, everything happens inside one platform. If you're ever looking for inspiration, there's also Flova TV. It's a showcase of videos created by other Flova AI users, so you can explore different ideas, creative styles, and production approaches before starting your own project. Flova AI offers both monthly and yearly plans with starter, basic, and pro options, so you can choose whichever one best fits your workflow. And if you ever run out of credits, you can simply top them up without changing your subscription. Plus, if you're interested in trying Seedance 2.5, it's currently fully unlocked in Flova with double credits for a limited time, and 480p generation starts from just 3 cents per second. After using it from start to finish, I think what Flova does best is bring the entire production process into one workflow. From planning your idea and building the storyboard to generating assets, refining individual shots, creating the final animation, adding music, and exporting the finished video, everything stays in one place. If you'd like to try it yourself, new users get 100 free credits just for signing up, and you can earn an additional 200 credits for every new user you invite. You'll find my special Flova link, along with everything I used in this video, down in the description. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI content, and I'll see you in the next one.